we've made leonArdo configurable, so now you can set it up and have it exactly the way you want it. To get started, click the plus and choose the new tool window option. You can give it a name if you like. And now start adding components. What I do in the tool window is mimicked in the main window, and I can even adapt orders. It's also possible to add charts from another market. So above we have Bitstamp, below Bitfinex, and double clicking into a chart will change the main window to that chart. I can adapt the layout. So let's add some order books. And I can even split this now so I get two different tool windows. Don't like the charts at the side, but want them above? No problem. Maybe you want them below. Just play around with it, it's really great. As you can see, you can even drop one on top of the other and get this great tabbed view. Let's add another. This time maybe transactions. It's just so much fun to play around with. It's also possible to maximize one of these windows. Here we can set up a multi-chart view, keeping an eye on our favorite 8 charts or up to 25, whatever you like. If you've got another monitor attached, you can show this on that monitor. A really great way to keep an eye on all of the movements of the markets. Have fun with this, guys. We had a great time putting it together and we hope you like it. Till next time.